You can trust Chem-Dry to use safe and effective solutions to help keep your home clean and healthy for the entire family. Chem-Dry's proprietary processes are proven by independent labs to provide a deep clean and deliver superior results in removing unhealthy elements from many of your home surfaces. Chem-Dry's proprietary hot carbonating extraction process is proven to remove an average of 98% of allergens from carpet and upholstery and 89% of airborne bacteria when combined with a sanitizer. Chem-Dry's core green certified solution, the natural, is safe and non-toxic for kids and pets. Our revolutionary pet urine odor removal process removes an average of 99.9% of pet urine odors from carpets and 99.2% of bacteria from pet urine in carpets.